Welcome back to our analog audio and high-fidelity vinyl gear showcase. Today, we are staging an exhaustive mechanical and acoustic review of an absolute giant killer in the audiophile turntable market. The Fluance RT85 reference vinyl record player represents an incredible milestone in precision analog playback engineering. It is critical to clarify right away that while entry-level budget record players rely on cheap plastic platters and basic pre-installed ceramic needles that easily skip, scratch your precious records, and compress the soundstage into a thin, muddy mess, Fluance has engineered a purist mechanical masterpiece. Shipped in a stunning, high-gloss piano white aesthetic, this belt-driven deck pairs a massive 3-pound acrylic platter with a legendary pre-mounted Ortofon transducer to unleash breathtaking detail, spatial separation, and three-dimensional realism from every square inch of your vinyl collection. The primary engineering triumph of the RT85 deck centers squarely on its premium component pairing and sophisticated velocity regulation. Right out of the box, this turntable comes equipped with the highly acclaimed Ortofon 2M Blue cartridge. This high-end cartridge uses a genuine Nude elliptical diamond stylus, meaning the entire needle is cut from a single piece of pure diamond. It follows your record grooves with surgical precision, unlocking incredible high-frequency clarity and tight, muscular bass definition while drastically reducing inner groove distortion. Spinning the vinyl is a heavy, frosted acrylic platter. Because acrylic shares the exact same density and acoustic properties as vinyl records themselves, the platter naturally dampens unwanted mechanical resonance. This eliminates the need for a sloppy rubber or felt mat entirely, allowing your records to sit directly on the bare acrylic for maximum acoustic purity. But what truly cements this turntable as a true reference-grade layout is its total obsession with isolation and rotational consistency. The internal belt-driven motor runs a highly sophisticated optical speed control system. An internal sensor continuously measures the platter's rotation, correcting the motor's speed 500 times per second to clamp wow and flutter down to an incredibly low 0.03%. The foundational platform is forged from a heavy, multi-layered high-mass MDF wood plinth, resting securely on 3 adjustable, conical rubber isolation feet. This specialized 3-point layout completely blocks physical floor vibrations or speaker feedback from creeping into the sensitive tonearm assembly. Complete with a balanced aluminum S-type tonearm and an auto-stop feature to lift the needle safely when a side finish is playing, it stands as the gold standard for high-performance analog systems. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below to let us know what record you are spinning first on this gorgeous white deck.